This is a used 2012 Ford Fusion. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, premium rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ed Sherling Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 805 Glover Avenue, Enterprise, Alabama 36330.